Understanding hoof mark in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a specific English phrase, hoof mark. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know when and how to use it. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the phrase itself, let's understand the individual words. Hoof. A hoof is the hard foot of an animal, especially a horse, cow, deer, or sheep. It's that solid, often crescent-shaped bottom part that helps them walk or run. Mark. A mark generally refers to a sign, impression, or indication of something. It could be a stain, scratch, or imprint. Combining these two words, we can deduce that a hoof mark would be the impression or imprint left by an animal's hoof. To understand any term, it's always beneficial to see it used in context. Here are a few example sentences. 1. The muddy path was filled with hoof marks from the passing cattle. 2. By the hoof marks on the ground, the detective deduced that the thief had used a horse to escape. 3. After the parade, the street was littered with hoof marks from the horses. If you're having a hard time visualizing, think of a beach. When you walk on the sand, you leave footprints, right? Now, imagine a horse walking on that same beach. Instead of footprints, the horse would leave hoof marks. It's the equivalent of a footprint but for animals with hooves. Some people might confuse hoof mark with a shoe imprint or other animal footprints. Remember, hoof marks are specifically from animals with hooves. It's different from paw prints, like from dogs or cats, or footprints, like from humans. And there we have it. You've now learned what the phrase, hoof mark, means and how to use it in your conversations. We hope this video sheds light on this particular English phrase for you. Always keep learning, and see you in the next video.